Now, I'm going fishing, but look at my, sorry, look at my look here. Just ignore the way I look. The same thing. I mean, there's a lot of anchovies since I'm going to catch some with Carlos here. We're setting up for our, what do you call this, net. Woo!
My fishing buddies, they help